Hey friends, welcome to the channel Health Tricks and Tips in English, the best pregnancy centric channel. 9 such food or foods that will be helpful for stimulating the labor at the opportune moment, like when your delivery is near or when your due date has come. This is the right time. You should start eating all these listed 9 things so that you can induce your labor. So guys, let's start the video now. The number one thing is spicy food. All throughout your pregnancy till 8th month, it is forbidden for you. You're advised not to eat spicy food just because they can induce labor. Spicy food actually causes uterus contraction. Spices have a hormone called prostaglandin and that brings down the muscles and stimulates the labor. The second food is eating dates. Friends, eating date tends to dilate your cervix and it helps in getting the labor earlier. So friends, if you start eating 7 to 8 dates with the onset of your 9th month, then it is really very much helpful in getting the labor earlier than expected. The third thing in the list is eggplant or brinjal. Brinjal is also believed to induce labor very soon, and in some of the cases it has been found that the pregnant woman who ate brinjal put herself into labor within 2 days. Number 4 is pineapple, and again this is the fruit that is forbidden in the first trimester, but now this is the time that you should start eating pineapple. It is a great labor inducer. Pineapple actually contains an enzyme that is known as bromelain, and it helps in softening the walls of the cervix that cause the uterus to contract, which trigger the labor. Next in the list is the consumption of garlic. Garlic actually promotes the bowel movements, and so it helps in emptying them, which can start the labor. It's always recommended to eat at least 2 pieces of garlic every day on an empty stomach for better digestion. It helps in getting the intestinal bowel movements that helps in clearing the rectum, and these increased motion leads to the uterus contraction, and so the labor is induced. Number 6 is green papaya. In papaya, friends, as we know that it is a forbidden fruit during the first trimester, but again like pineapple, it is a must to have in the 9th month to induce labor. Papaya has latex and oxytocin that helps in starting the contraction. So you have to make it sure that you are just consuming the raw papaya that is green in color, because if you are going for a ripened papaya, then these things are almost lost. That helps in kick-starting the contraction. Number 7, cumin tea. Cumin is also very much helpful in starting the menstruation cycle, and it is highly helpful in kick-starting the labor. So just to increase the taste of cumin tea, you can add honey to it, and it works as a great labor inducer. Number 8 in the list is castor oil. Castor oil is also believed to have a very good effect during your 9th month. You should start drinking castor oil. It not only help in inducing the labor, but it also make the process of delivery smooth by reducing the friction. However, some pregnant women has reported vomiting and diarrhea after taking castor oil. So if this is the case with you, just discontinue it. Number 9 in the list is eating banana. Friends, banana has got ample amount of potassium content into it, and if you eat lots of banana, it can trigger uterus muscle contraction and it works towards pushing the baby out. So friend, when an EDD is approaching, then you should try out all these 9 food items to induce labor. So friend, this is all in this video. If you like the video, kindly press the like button. If you're coming to the channel first time, consider subscribing and hit the bell icon and then select all to never miss an update from Health Tricks and Tips in English. We'll catch up in another video on pregnancy. Till then, peace out, stay happy, stay healthy.